Hello my dear all students, welcome back to our chat. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Keep yourself at your home and stay safe and stay happy. So in our last lecture we had started our second unit, the sound of music, which is divided into two different kind of stories related to sound of music. So our first story we had already started in our last lecture. The name of the story, Evelyn Glennie. The name of the girl listens to sound without hearing it. So first of all, one question raised in our mind. So how could anyone listen a sound without hearing it? So it's very interesting unit. So let's get started our remaining portion. Open your textbook, behave, and open your page number 18. So in our last lecture we had ended up with everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. So how she began that kind of everything will be blank in front of her. She was not able to see anything. But Evelyn was not going to give up. She was not that kind of girl who give up very easily, right? So here Evelyn is very strong girl. So we also have to learn from her that we should not give up in any kind of situation is there. We should not give up. We have to learn from that. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. So she had interest in music. So she was very determined girl. So she tried to continue with her normal life, and she had interested in music. So she wanted to join that music. And one day she noticed a girl playing a xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. One day when she noticed a girl who had that xylophone, it's a kind of device, that kind of music instrument, or we can say it's not just device, it's a kind of musical instrumental. One girl who was playing, so Evelyn also wanted to play that instrument. Most of the teachers discouraged her. Almost all the teachers discouraged her to play that. But percussionist means it's a person who plays tabla, drum and all. It's a kind of musician, instrument person who plays this kind of instrumental, tabla and drum and all. So he, what is the name of that percussionist? Ron Forbes spotted her potential. So he gave her some positive vibes or that kind of some things. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. So he began by tuning two large drums. He was playing two drums but different notes. Don't listen through your ears. Don't listen through your ears, he would say. Whatever he said, that never or don't listen, it is not essential, it's not necessary to listen through your ears. So he would try to say something in that sentence. Try to sense it some other way. Just try to feel it by other sense, other way, says Evelyn. Suddenly I realized, Evelyn was telling that suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. So now she compared both sound. So one sound was higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. So whenever she noticed it very carefully and she go with the sense, so she noticed that Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Now she could know that whenever Forbes repeated the exercise, whenever he played the drum and all, it was that kind of exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. She could sense it. I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibrations. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. So whatever she felt, it was that she could fill with her other body parts too. We know that whatever deaf or that kind of people are there, so God has given them another way to sense that, to feel some kind of that parts of the body parts, whatever they have given to them. So here also Evelyn is that kind of girl. So she learned to open her mind and body to sounds and vibrations. She could now feel some sounds and vibrations. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. She never looked back from that point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16, on the age of 16, she toured the United Kingdom with youth orchestra. She had taken participation in that. She had decided to make music her life. Now she had decided that just music is her life, because whatever she wanted to be, it's all about her music. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. Once she went there, but now whenever she auditioned, she gave audition for the Royal Academy of Music. It's a very vast academy. So she gave audition in it and she scored one of the highest marks in the history of the academy. Academy had that kind of marks, that kind of history. So she was one of them who got the highest marks. She gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performance. We know that in orchestra performance, so many people are there who play different kind of music instruments. So she, which kind of her gradually progress was there from orchestra to solo performance. In solo performance only she was playing any kind of music instrument. So she moved from orchestral work to solo performances. At the end of her 3-year courses, she had captured most of the top awards. She got so many awards and she had captured most of the top awards, because it's only because of her hard working, her determination to about the music. If she had given up, then this kind of things will be never come, right? So whatever we should learn from this unit, that we should never give up. Whatever thing happened, we should never give up. So let's move to another point, another paragraph. Next paragraph, fifth. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. And she got right to the top. The world's most sought after multi-percussionist with her mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. So read it very carefully. This kind of words are there. So which kind of achievement she got? If you work hard, nobody can stop you to be success, right? So this kind of things also happen in Evelyn's life. If you work hard and know where you are going, so whatever our path is, that whatever our way, which kind of thinking we have, so it's also working. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. And she got right to the top. She got at the top. The world's most sought after multi-percussionist with her mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. So it's very much, this is so much for her. Next paragraph. It's intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2-hour discussion, she never missed a word. So it is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. In our 2 to 4 discussion, she never missed a word. Man with bushy beards give me trouble. She laughed. It is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. She speaks flawlessly with her Scottish lift. So whatever happened in her mind, whatever happened in her life also. So in our this page, in the page number, on the page number 19, we can see the picture how she is determining with her work to her work. If God has taken her one part, but He has also given her so many other senses to fill it. So Evelyn is very this kind of girl who never give up in her life, but she determined with her work very effortlessly. So she gave her whatever she wanted to be. So we could know or we could say about Evelyn that we should never give up in our life. So it was our today's lecture. If you have any query, you are free to ask me. Thank you everyone.